Hi. Mark here with my friend Joanna. We wanted to take a couple minutes to let you know exactly what hemp and hemp oil are and how they can be good for your health.
We'll keep this as simple as possible by just talking about how the hemp industry uses different terms. In other contexts, the terms are confusing because of the legal issues surrounding marijuana. So, let's start by talking about cannabinoids. They're chemical compounds found in cannabis, hemp, and some other plants. There are more than 120 chemical compounds called cannabinoids. Two of those compounds, THC and CBD, are most widely known. THC is the psychoactive compound in marijuana that gets you high.
CBD is an entirely different compound. It doesn't get you high. Things sold as medicinal hemp products are completely legal in all 50 states as long as the percentage of THC they contain is no more than 0.3%. There is no recreational use for CBD. It is only useful for improving wellness.
THC and CBD are extracted from cannabis plants. Technically, cannabis is a plant with many different strains. However, generally speaking, the word cannabis refers to the marijuana strains that contain high amounts of THC. These strains also contain CBD, and can be used for both recreational and prescription medical purposes. The legal status of high THC cannabis is in flux. It remains illegal under federal law. Under state law, it is completely legal in some states, legal for medical purposes in others, and illegal in the remaining states.
Hemp refers to strains of cannabis cultivated to have very low, trace amounts of THC. The strains also have high amounts of CBD for health purposes. Medicinal hemp products containing no more than 0.3% THC are legal in all 50 states. Medicinal hemp product manufacturers usually extract CBD from hemp. They say that their products are hemp-based because of the legal uncertainties associated with the term cannabis.
The terminology in today's industry is reasonably clear. Hemp strains with high CBD levels and low THC levels are entirely for health and wellness. High THC cannabis strains, marijuana, are mainly for recreational purposes but do have some prescription medical uses. We only recommend products that contain no more than a legal 0.3% limit of THC.
Within hemp, misunderstanding arises over the different kinds of oils. That confusion is largely the results of certain internet giants like Google and Facebook restricting the use of the terms related to CBD. Retailers had to figure out workarounds to advertise their products. Hemp seed oil is for cooking and has no CBD or THC.
Hemp oil must conform to the rule requiring no more than 0.3% THC. Hemp oil is the term generally used in online advertising because of the advertising restrictions mentioned above. If you have any doubts about a particular product, check its label for the potency of CBD and THC. Remember that hemp oil usually means legal, health-oriented products, while hemp seed oil is something you use in salad dressings and cooking.
So, how do hemp products help your health? Most scientists agree that CBD works by interacting with the endocannabinoid system in our bodies. This is a biochemical system throughout the body with receptors tuned in to watch for cannabinoids. It maintains a homeostatic balance in both our body and mind.
In addition, CBD activates many non-endocannabinoid receptors. For example, it binds to the TRPV1 receptor, which mediates pain perception, inflammation, and body temperature.
It activates the 5-HT1A serotonin receptor and brings about an antidepressant and anti-anxiety effect.
It activates the peroxisome proliferator activated receptors believed to decrease the proliferation of cancer cells.
And it blocks the orphan receptor GPR55 signaling, which may decrease bone reabsorption. This wide variety of interaction, and others, may explain why CBD has such a diverse set of beneficial effects.
Scientific research about CBD is still in its infancy. Even so, the results in both animal and human research are promising. Here are a few of the most interesting well-established benefits. Relief of chronic pain from arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, headaches, and fibromyalgia. Overall pain relief resulting from the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Reducing inflammation. Reducing anxiety and stress.
Promoting sleep. Treating neurological disorders. Treating seizures. Relieving nausea. Reducing insomnia. Improving cardiovascular health.
Reducing inflammatory skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Reducing brain inflammation. Reducing the incidence of diabetes. Assisting with drug withdrawal and smoking cessation. Improving symptoms associated with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
CBD seems to be very versatile in its health benefits. In the next few years you can expect even more research proving its efficacy.